Stop cold calling and do this strategy instead. What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop cold calling and actually get more wholesaling deals. Now, as somebody that loves cold calling and tells you to cold call all the time, why am I telling you not to cold call? Well, I love cold calling, but I know it's not for everyone, and I know it's a lot of work, and with that work, you do get good deals. But there are other ways for you to get inbound leads and do other type of marketing out here to get wholesaling deals that's not going to spend as much time. You're not going to get screamed at over the phones and cursed at. That can land you your first deal or maybe your second, third, fourth, or 10th wholesaling deal. And that is what I'm going to show you absolutely for free today. So if you don't like cold calling or you just want to skip that and get into doing wholesaling deals, this is the tutorial for you. So to not cold call, you still have to work hard. I want you to understand this before we break down everything. If you're expecting, oh, I don't have to cold call, I don't have to work hard, that's not it. Cold calling is hard work, but every single other strategy I tell you to do in wholesaling real estate that is not cold calling related is still going to be hard work. It's not easy, but because you have to put some effort, some work into it, there's going to be big rewards because these are deals you can make 10, 20, 30, 40, heck, $50,000 doing that can get you rich, but you still have to work hard and be consistent at whatever you do. So let's break this down in order. My top ways to get wholesaling real estate deals with no cold calling at all with this amazing strategy. So the first strategy, and the strategy I've probably talked about forever, is just reverse drying for dollars. Now, reverse drying for dollars is simple. You go in your car and you look for ugly houses and you grab sticky notes like this and you're just going to write on the sticky note, hey, this is Zach, I had a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back. You slap that on the house and then boom, sellers are going to be calling you. You're not going to be calling them. They're actually going to inbound calling you. The reason why this is so effective is there's no cold calling at all, like none involved at all. There's no skip tracing. You don't have to really spend any money doing it outside just putting the sticky note out there. And you can spend more time drying for dollars and getting more leads. Another awesome thing about this is you don't have to go pull a regular list. You just drive around, look for ugly houses. So if you're the type of person that complains that, oh, there's so many wholesalers in my market, this is so competitive, this is so annoying, oh, everything's so saturated, you can literally go out here and get a list that no other wholesaler can possibly do. And come on, that's how you do a bunch of wholesaling real estate deals. Now, I do have a full tutorial on how to do this at freewholesaling.com, but between you and me, it's a pretty simple strategy. Anyone can go out here and start doing it. Strategy number 2 here is just JVing or joint venturing. JVing or joint venturing is pretty much the process of finding other wholesalers that are having some issue in their wholesaling business, and you're gonna go out here and help them out. For example, I might have a ton of cash buyers in my local market, and I might go out here and find a local wholesaler that is absolutely struggling right now to sell their wholesaling deals. They got a great deal locked up, but they just can't find any buyers, and they're really new to this. What I can do in exchange is I can bring some of my buyers in the deal, and we can split it 50-50. We make $20,000 on the assignment, I get a $10,000 check, he gets his $10,000 check. It's a win-win for everyone. There's no cold calling involved. These people can DM me, message me, email me their deals, heck, even send it through a Podio web form, and it's absolutely amazing. Or vice versa, you know. I can get these deals locked up, and if I can't sell it, I can find a local wholesaler to go provide the cash buyer to me. It's a win-win for everyone here. Remember, there's no cold calling involved. You're actually not even talking to any sellers by doing this. So it's a great strategy that I implement in my wholesaling business all the time that you should be doing too. Number 3 here, this is a big one, but this is digital bandit signs and regular bandit signs. So let's talk about regular bandit signs first. I can call these physical bandit signs, but these are basically those we buy ugly houses signs. I made my first $100,000 in wholesaling real estate at 17 years old by doing this strategy. And this is pretty much a simple, easy strategy where I have a sign that says we buy houses cash, and I got a phone number on the bottom, and sellers will call that sign and you get inbound leads. No cold calling involved. These are usually pretty hot leads. And I just got to put the signs out by stop signs or where there's a lot of high traffic areas. Now, it's not the best in every single market, so you got to test it out. It worked really good when I started out, and then it got a little worse because I put so many stinking signs out. But I definitely recommend everybody watching this just to at least try it once. I love bandit signs, and they're a great strategy if you know what you're doing the right way. But it's pretty simple. Get the signs, put them out, get a Google Voice number, and you should be fine. They're inbound leads that are coming to you versus you cold calling and trying to get that deal out there. Now, on top of this too, you can do what we call digital bandit signs. So let's say you live in Los Angeles right now and you want to wholesale in the Nashville, Tennessee area. It's a little more difficult to go put out signs because you live in Los Angeles. You ain't gonna take a flight just to do that. What you can do is put bandit signs out digitally on the internet, and by you doing this, you can get in front of not thousands of people a day, but tens of thousands of people a day. Basically what digital bandit signs are bandit signs you can put online on the internet. So this is basically using AI to create awesome ad copy for free. So you can post on Craigslist and Facebook groups with tens of thousands of people to see. It's a great strategy, which I'm telling you, most wholesalers are not doing right now. And frankly, I don't know why they're not doing it. There's a lot of great deals to be done by doing this, and most people do not want you to know about it at all. And it's really a big secret in the wholesaling wholesaling industry. If you want to learn how to do it, use AI to get these type of deals, just go to my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. Go by the AI section and we break down how to do digital bandit signs absolutely for free. Number 4, my top marketing strategy that requires no cold calling at all, that makes me the most money in my wholesaling real estate business, hands down. This is direct mail. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. Direct mail is the key to your wholesaling success. If you were trying to scale up an operation from 20, 30K a month all the way to 100K a month, the big secret is direct mail. Direct mail is the king of what I call ROT, which is return on time. How much time you put into wholesaling real estate, how much time you put into marketing, and how much deals you get back. Direct mail is the king of it. You basically click a button and leads just come to you. There's no managing, none of these crazy things. It's a great strategy. Now, there is a con to direct mail. It is a high cost. It's not the cheapest one in the world, but the way my business runs, I'm able to do $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 wholesaling deals. And yes, I have to pay a portion of that to my acquisitions team and my dispo team, but still, the amount of money I make from direct mail easily offsets the cost. Now, should you be doing this as a beginner on like a high volume type thing? Probably not. But the one thing I can tell you is if you're looking to start doing wholesaling deals and you don't like cold calling at all, and you don't have really any time at all, direct mail can work. These are regular postcards. You can send letters out. One of my favorite cheaper strategies is sending like probate mailers out to probate records to get inbound leads. And there's not really that much, maybe $80, $90 a month it will cost to market to those, and they get really big wholesaling deals. Direct mail is another great strategy that I always implement that no one really ever talks about because it's very expensive, but if you know how to do it the cheap way, you can do it absolutely with no cold calling at all, with not that much cost. I recommend before you even spend a cent inside of direct mail, go to our mailing mastery course, which is inside of my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com. I know I'm a broken record for it, but you need to get your knowledge right before you get started in wholesaling real estate, and it's literally a $7,000 course I give away absolutely for free. Last but not least, one of the best strategies out here, I'm saying for everyone, is a must do, not a you should maybe, or I don't know, maybe a little I can do or possibly. No, it is a must do marketing strategy. This is SMS text blasting. I absolutely go crazy for SMS text blasting because I still think it is a underutilized marketing channel when you don't want to do any cold calling at all. Now, the biggest thing is like, oh my gosh, Zach, I don't have $300, $400, $500 a month to spend in SMS text blasting. Just shut up already. Well, this is why you haven't gone to freewholesaling.com. You can actually send text from your personal cell phone to motivated sellers for free. It literally costs no money at all. You can send thousands of texts every single month with zero marketing cost at all. Hopefully that got your attention. You can send texts absolutely for free that cost no money at all. Just use your personal cell phone. Now, I know it's not the most conventional marketing strategy, but when you got no money, you have to be resourceful. You have to do the things that nobody else is really doing. And this is another great strategy. So one really big, awesome SMS tip I love doing, let's add reverse strength for dollars with this, is when I'm driving my car, I find an ugly looking house. What I'm gonna do is take my phone right here, snap a picture of the property, find their phone number on truepeoplesearch.com or my new favorite one, cyberbackgroundchecks.com, and just text them literally from my personal phone the picture of the property. And then I'm gonna also say on top of that, is everything okay at the property? I'm telling you, there is a massive, massive chance that motivated seller is gonna give you a text back, which is better than cold calling, direct mail, or any type of marketing strategy at all. And the best part about it, it cost absolutely no money at all. It was completely free. Now that's a great marketing strategy, and for most people, they're not willing to do it. But when you don't have any money to spend and you're pretty much broke starting out in wholesaling real estate like I was, you gotta do the things that the other people aren't willing to do that are spending tens of thousands of dollars a month in direct mail and cold calling and all this other stuff. And that's the unfair advantage that you can start doing. Also, you can pay for SMS text blasting. You can pay to send thousands and thousands of texts out with an automated software that has proven time and time again to get amazing wholesaling deals versus any other strategy. The best SMS platform I've found is smszach.com. Again, that is smszach.com. It has proven to be the best text blasting platform, not just for me, but for wholesalers all over the country. So I do recommend, if you are gonna get into the paid SMS software game, you should just go to smszach.com. Now, last but not least, I always get asked, what type of list should I be going after too? Now, honestly, I've tried all these different lists, best for all the marketing channels I've said before. But what I've personally found is just government lists to be the best free type of list out here. So if you got no money, you want to get any of these strategies, I would recommend government lists. These are your pre-foreclosures, your probates, your fire damage properties, your water shutoffs, your liens, your tax delinquencies, the arrest record list. I go on and on and on forever about this. This is a great strategy for you to get motivated seller lists that you can go attack with the marketing channels I said with no cold calling at all. And obviously, if you want to pay for it and you don't want to go and do the government list thing, you can just use the best software out out here, listrei.com, aka PropStream, for a 7-day free trial to go pull all the lists with all the motivating factors like the vacants, high equities, tired landlords, and go on and on forever. So either use government lists or paid lists that we teach at freewholesaling.com and you should be good. But remember, you don't need a cold call to be successful. I know I talk about cold calling forever. I know I love cold calling, but it's not for everyone. These strategies will definitely 100% get you deals if you can consistently show up and do them every single day. Just like cold calling, it won't work if you don't work. And if you want to work hard, consistently put out the effort, you'll get deals with no cold calling at all. And remember, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.